Hello, welcome. Today I am going to show how actually WordPress filter hooks action work. Actually, I am not telling about how all these function work, but just a think how the process going on from where first call come and then where this control goes and then where and so on. So today I'm going to tell about how we can customize WP for WP title using filter, and we can create a good title for us which is SEO friendly maybe. So when WP title calls, normally we see such type of functions in our WordPress theme or plugin also. We get WP title maintain in the title section. So how this title WP title works? When WP title is called, what is going on? Actually, what is going on? Okay, let's see. If we search it through our project, including WordPress, search all file and folder, then we can search apply filter function, so we can understand what is going on. Search within the project. Apply filters WP title. Search in the project. Okay. So get it. This is apply filter title. That is the so we can see this apply filter is within the function WP title. WP title function calls apply uses apply filter. Yes, apply filter WP title. It is the hook. So hook basically do give a option to us how we can customize the existing function WP title. How can we can completely change the WP title using hooks? Yes, it is possible. We can find this WP title function, or there is another way you can see. This is WP title function. WP title function here takes three arguments. This is default argument. This is also the default argument, and this is for separator location where you want to left or right. We give all this argument here, so that here is separator. Do you want to see title or not, and this right or left. So this is display option separator. How we separate define title section. So this function calls and the take three argument here. Title is first blank, and when we go through all this process, then something is added with the function with the title. It it add or not. It depend on these conditions. So hope something must be added with this title. At the end of this, we have a some value of title. We have some value of title. Here is apply filter function. So here in actually in this position, PHP normally execute from top of the code and then down and so on. So till this position, title have a something. Okay, in the still in this position, title have some value. I think it must any condition fill its fulfill, and then something is added to the title. Okay, so title have some value. When how we can customize this W title using WP filter, sorry filter WP filter. Here we call this function in the function.php. Function.php examples wp title. We call this function just here. You can just paste this code. I am not going to paste it because sometimes we remove it and call it again. So let's say see here, when we are going to add filter, then we are using this filter hook, wp title filter hook, and we tie this custom title function here. So we customize in these places. So what is going on? It is a callback function, the function that pass a pass as an argument of another function that calls callback function. You know it later. Then custom title takes two argument. We say that it's two argument. It is priority field. Priority field means normally default priority is 10 and here is 11. So first all other functions execute and then execute my function. If I give it priority 9, then my function execute first, then all other default function which is priority 10 is execute. Okay, so this function called, and it takes two argument, these two argument. Now the issue comes here. It is the most important thing and sometimes it is confusing where this value comes. Okay, this value comes from this here, from here. We have some value till here, title have some value and separator have value. We get the separator value from function argument. So separator must have values like title. It takes these two parameter here, so title and these two parameter from here. Now name is not a factor, it just follow corresponding value. Corresponding value means this is the first title, so it whatever the value of title, it comes here, and this is the second parameter, so whatever the value it's come here. I show you how it's work and you will be clear about it. Now you can see, okay, table hooks test and this, and I am just commenting out. So what this line does, this line replace all the other type, what all the other values of title, and replace this one, and I use another title, another variable name. So you can clear that name is the not a factor, main factor is the corresponding value, how this title value comes. And I have used a separator that's or remove all the other values of the separator. So when we run this code again, sorry, I'm going to forget. Yes, it's come. Let's see. So it passes two values. It passes Subrato hyphen and separator. Separator means this separator. So these two value comes here. These two value comes here. Now title is added concatenate with the blog name, and here we say condition if blog description, if there is blog description and it is home page or is front page, then it tied these three variable together like this. Title first, so our added title was Subroto hyphen, then it is added with this, and then separator, this separator value comes here, and site description from here, site description from this function, and then it return this. So when when this title, what is the title value now? Title value is now this title value. this title value. Oh sorry, this title value. Okay, so here if displays okay on is true, then echo out title, otherwise not, otherwise return title. And now I am going to comment out this. Oh no, no need to comment out, I am just changing. I show you the variable name is not important, just corresponding value is important, as like user defined function. Actually, mm, let me show. Can you see here my customize a demo name here comes. So what is important is the corresponding value. Actually, so what we understand this, mm, we understand that filter is used for to give some our code added with WordPress existing code, or we can also change the existing code using filter, or using remove filter function, or remove action function. So now I think it is clear to you how WordPress filter work, and how this value comes, and how we how actually everything works. Now you can customize yourself. If you understand this, then you can customize yourself according to your think, or according to understanding what you want, and what type of function you want to execute. So you can see I can remove all the other thing here, then no function will execute with this. Okay, that's how the function works.